Hello guys and welcome to my medium related YouTube channel. This is Revolver Ocelot and today I'm going to show you how to put your medium stories in the paywall that were previously not behind the paywall, meaning you didn't receive any money from them. So it's first of all I'm going to show you my dashboard. 1 2 3 4 5 6 stories in front of them. Since I joined the Medium Partner program today, have zero earnings, my friends. So what happened is one of the stories is having dash in front of it. This means that this story is not behind a paywall. So I'll open this story and I'll put it behind the paywall. So these three dots over here, if I go to story settings, you can't find it over here, my friends. Under advanced or something, you can see the canonical link, which I'll make a separate video on how to do that, my friends. So I'll go back, and what happens is that I'll go and click on these three dots, click edit story, and now I see further three dots in front of the notification bar. I'll click it, and here I have option manage paywall settings. So I'll click it and click paywall your story. This makes it eligible to earn money with the partner program, and click save. So I'll go back to my story. I have saved it. And now what will happen, my friends, is if I refresh this page on my stats page, this story is now monetized, my friends. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Share this video with as many people as possible. I'll be signing off. Take care.